You know that data resides in a database, so we could use this data to solve business problems such as logistic delays, sales performance, customer attrition, etc. In the data-centric world, we depend on data to solve business problems, and that is why organizations are investing in data analytics for data scientists. First, to extract the required data from the database, you would need SQL or SQL. Once data is extracted from the database, we would cleanse it, visualize it, and analyze to generate business intelligence. Managers and leaders take decisions based on reports and dashboards that present the data insights in a user-friendly way. This is where you would be using Power BI, a powerful business intelligence tool to facilitate decision making. Hence, you should master both SQL and Power BI to be a good data analyst or a data scientist.